Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can adjust or change the photos format on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So to start, you will obviously need to launch the camera view in the DJI Flip, in the remote controller that you pilot your DJI Flip from. Now make sure that you are in the photo mode here, of course, by tapping here and selecting photo. Now if your camera is in the automatic mode, as it is in my case, tap at the format spec right over here and now select whether you would like to switch it to JPEG, RAW or JPEG plus RAW. Now if your camera is in the Pro mode, like here, you'll need to tap at the left section, so there are a bunch of properties and parameters that are divided in the middle. So tap on the section that is closer to the left, so there. And now you can also change the format between JPEG, RAW or JPEG plus RAW. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.